Students, today let us discuss numerical differentiation, the process of evaluating the approximate value of the derivative of a function y is equal to fx at some value of x by using given set of values y0, y1, y2 and so on up to yn corresponding to the arguments x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn is called numerical differentiation. Okay, so as I said here, you say it is the process method of obtaining the approximate value of the derivative of a function y is equal to fx at the set value of fx by using given set of values y0, y1, y2 and so on up to yn corresponding to the arguments x0, x1, x2, xn is called numerical differentiation. And let us see some of the important formula here. First formula is dy by dx at x is equal to x0 is 1 over h into delta y0 minus half into delta squared y0 plus 1 by 3 into delta cube y0 minus 1 by 4 into y0 plus minus and so on. This continues. Call it as the first formula. First derivative at the point x is equal to x0. Similarly, for the second derivative at the point d squared y by dx squared at x is equal to x0, we have this formula 1 over h squared into delta squared y0 minus delta cube y0 plus 11 by 12 into delta to the power 4 y0 minus 5 by 6 into delta to the power 5 y0 plus minus and so on. And this is your second formula. Next, if you want to derive at the end point, you want the derivative at the end point say xn, then you must use this formula. dy by dx at x is equal to xn is equal to 1 over h into del yn plus half into del squared yn plus 1 by 3 into del cube yn plus 1 by 4 into del to the power 4 yn plus and so on. And you can just note the differences here. In x is equal to x0 starting point, whereas x is equal to xn is the end point. 1 over h is common, and here we have used delta in the first formula, whereas here instead of delta we have del. And the next yn, y0, they are in the reverse order, yn plus half into del squared yn plus 1 by 3 into del cube. Instead of y0 we have used yn here, and here we have taken all the alternative positive negative signs, but here all the signs are positive. This you can know. Next, similarly, second derivative delta d squared y by dx squared at x is equal to xn, the end point. The formula is 1 over h squared into del squared yn plus del cube yn plus 11 by 2 into del to the power 4 yn plus 5 by 6 into del to the power 4 yn plus and so on. See, once again we should compare the formula 2 and 4. Instead of 1 over h squared is same. Instead of y0 we have yn, and instead of delta here we have del. Right? Further, if you want to find dy by dx at any point, not at the starting point or at the end point, even in the middle of any point, xr is equal to x0 plus rh you say, then we use the following formula. Dy by dx is equal to at x is equal to x0 plus rh is 1 over h into delta y0 plus 2r minus 1 by 2 into delta squared y0 plus 3r squared minus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 into delta cube y0 plus 4r cube minus 18r squared plus 22r minus 6 divided by 24 into delta to the power 4 y0 plus and so on. This is the fifth formula. Okay. Using these, let us go for the examples. Okay. Second derivative d formula for second derivative d squared y by dx squared at x is equal to x naught plus rh is given by 1 over s squared into delta squared y naught plus r minus 1 into delta cube y naught plus 6r squared minus 18r plus 11 divided by 12 into delta to the power 4 into y naught plus and so on. Call this as the sixth formula. Suppose if xr is the near to the end of the table, we take xr is equal to xn plus rh and use backward integration formula here. And in that case, your dy by dx is x is equal to xn plus rh is equal to 1 over h into delta del yn plus 2r plus 1 by 2 into del squared yn plus 3r squared plus 6r plus 2 by 6 into del cube yn plus 4r cube plus 18r squared plus 22r plus 6 divided by 24 into delta to the power 4 yn plus and so on. This is the seventh formula. Next, similarly, your second derivative d squared y by dx squared at x is equal to xn plus rh is equal to 1 over h squared into del squared yn plus r plus 1 into del cube yn plus 6r squared plus 18r plus 11 by 12 into del to the power 4 yn plus and so on. This is the 8th formula. Okay. Examples here. First example is this. Evaluate y dash 0. I mean first derivative at the point x is equal to 0. Y double dash 0. Second derivative at the point x is equal to 0. From the data x, the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corresponding values of y are 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. Okay. Construct the forward difference table. For that you write the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first column, the corresponding values of y 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. Del y is 8 minus 4, 4. And 15 minus 8, 7. 7 minus 15 minus 8. 6 minus 7 minus 1. 2 minus 6 is minus 1. Next, 7 minus 4, 3. Minus 8 minus 7 minus 15. Minus 1 plus 8 is plus 7. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 7. Next, minus 15 minus 3 minus 18. 7 minus half minus 15 plus 15, 22. Minus 3 minus 7 is minus 7. 22 minus half minus 18, 40. Minus 8, 10. Minus 22, minus 30. Minus 32 minus 40 is minus 32. Like that you have constructed the forward difference table. And using this formula, dy by dx at x is equal to x naught 1 over h into delta y naught minus half into delta squared y naught plus 1 by 3 into delta cube y naught minus 1 by 4 into delta to the power 4 y naught plus 1 by 5 into delta to the power 5 y naught plus and minus and so on. Yes, writing those values here, you remember your x naught is 0. dy by dx is y dash. Y dash at x is equal to 0 is 1 by h, 1 by 1, and the difference 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1, therefore our h is 1. Delta y naught is 4 minus 1 by 4 into delta squared y naught 3 plus 1 by 3 into delta cube y naught is minus 80 minus 1 by 4 into delta to the power 4 y naught is 40 plus 1 by 5 into delta to the power 5 y naught is minus 70. Yes, simplifying this, first term 4, second term minus 1.5, third term minus 6, fourth term minus 10, fifth term minus 14 into 4. The overall x value is minus 27.9. Also the second derivative d squared y by dx squared at x is equal to x naught. We have this formula 1 over x squared into delta squared y naught minus delta cube y naught plus 11 by 12 into delta to the power 4 y naught minus 5 by 6 into delta to the power 5 y naught plus minus and so on. Yes, second derivative y y double dash at x is equal to 0 is denoted by y double dash 0 is equal to 1 over x squared 1 squared into delta squared y naught is 3 minus delta cube y naught is minus 18 plus 11 by 12 into delta to the power 4 y naught is 40 minus 5 by 6 into delta to the power 5 y naught is minus 7. Simplifying this, first term 3, second term plus 80, third term 36.67, fourth term 60. Overall, the value of y double dash 0 is 107 minus 67. Okay. We shall go to the second example here. Find f dash 1.1 means first derivative at the point 1.1. F double dash 1.1 for second derivative at 1.1 using this table. The values of x are 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2.0. The values of fx are 0, 0.128, 0.544, 1.296, 2.432, 4. Here your x naught is 1 and h is 0.2. And to find f dash 1 comma 1, it is nothing but dy by dx at x is equal to 1.1. Take xr is equal to 1.1. x naught plus rh is 1.1. 1 plus r into 0.2, which gives you the value of r is equal to 0.5. Therefore, go to the next formula, dy by dx at x is equal to x naught plus rh, which is 1 over h into delta y naught plus 2r minus 1 by 2 into delta squared y naught plus 3r squared minus 6r plus 2 divided by 6 into delta cube y naught plus and so on it is. For that, before that, you call it as equation number 1. Before that, you construct the forward difference table. For that, you write the values, given values of x in the first column and the given values of fx in the second column. Then delta, delta square, delta cube, delta to the power 4. Delta and the values 0.128 minus 0 is 0.128. 0.544 minus 0.128, 0.416, 1.296 minus 0.5.44, 0.752, 2.432 minus 1.296, 1.136. 4 minus 2.432 is 1.568. Next, calculate delta square. 0.416 minus 0.128. It is 0.288. 0.752 minus 0.416. It is 0.336. 1.136 minus 0.752. 0.384. 1.568 minus 1.136, which is equal to 0.432. Similarly, you find the third delta cube here. For that, 0.336 minus 0.288, which is equal to 0.048. Next, 0.384 minus 0.336 is 0.048. Next, 0.432 minus 0.384 is 0.048. And to find delta to the power 4, it is 0.048 minus 0.048, 0. Same thing, here also we get 0. Using this table and therefore using this equation number 1, f dash 1.1 is 1 by h is 0.2 into delta y naught. Delta y naught is 0.128 plus 2 into r is 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 into delta squared y naught 0.288 by 2 plus 3 into r squared 0.5 whole square minus 6 into r 0.5 plus 2 divided by 6 into delta cube y naught is 0.048. The process will end here itself because our delta to the power 4 is 0. Okay. So this is 1.1 divided by 0.2, write it as it is 0.128. This gives you 0. This third one gives you 0.00. On simplification, your f dash double 11 is 0.63. And also your d squared y by dx squared, for that we have this formula. 1 over a squared into delta squared y naught plus r minus 1 into delta cube y naught plus and so on. Using this you call it as equation number 2. This implies f dash double dash 1 divided by 1 over h squared or 0.2 whole squared into delta squared y naught is 0.12 delta squared y naught 0.288 plus r minus 1 0.5 minus 1 into delta cube y naught is 0.048. Automatically the next term is 0 because delta to the power 4 is 0. So on simplification it is 0.264 divided by 0.04. Clearly f double dash 1.1 is equal to 6.6. Okay. Like this you can find the numerical differences at different points. X naught plus RH. Okay, let's go to the next third example here. Table is this. X is equal to 1.96, 1.98, 2.00, 2.02, 2.04. The corresponding values of y are 0.7825, 0.7739, 0.765, 0.7653, 0.7473 it is. Yes, find y dash at 2.03. See here 2.03 is near to the end point. So at the point XR is equal to 2.0, we have this formula. XR is equal to Xn plus RH. XR is 2.03 is equal to Xn is 2.04, the last end point, plus R into 0.0. With this we can find the value of R, it is minus 0.5. And here you construct the backward difference step. For that you write the given values of x in the first column and given corresponding values of y in the second column. Del first forward difference and backward difference 0.7739 minus 0.7825. It is minus 0.0086. 0.7651 minus 0.7739 minus 0.0088, 0.7563 minus 0.7651 minus 0.0088, 0.7473 minus 0.7563 minus 0.009. Similarly, you find the backward difference del square. It is minus 0.0088 minus of this minus, it is plus 0.0086. It is minus 0.0002. Next, this minus this gives you 0.000. This minus this gives you minus 0.002. Next, del cube. This minus of this minus is plus. Minus this minus this, it is minus 0.002. This minus this gives you del 4. It is minus 0.002 minus 0.002 is equal to minus 0.004. The formula is dy by dx is 1 over h into del yn plus 2r plus 1 by 2 into del squared yn plus 3r squared plus 6r plus 2 by 6 into del cube yn plus 4r cube plus 18r squared plus 22r plus 6 divided by 24 into delta to the power 4y. Substituting those values here, your dy by dx means y dash at the point x is equal to 2.03 is equal to 1 over h is 1 over 0.02 into del yn is minus 0.009 plus 2 into r is minus 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 into del squared by n. It is minus 0.002. Next plus 3 into r squared minus 0.5 whole squared plus 6 into r minus 0.5 plus 2 divided by 6 into del cube yn is minus 0.002 plus 4 into r cube minus 0.5 whole cube plus 18 into r squared minus 0.5 whole squared plus 22 into r is minus 0.5 plus 6 divided by 20 into delta to the power 4 yn is this minus 0.004 and on simplification first term you write 1.0.02 as it is, first term as it is minus 0.009, the second term gives you 0.000029 one side plus the next term is 0.000083 plus next term is 0.000067. On simplification your y dash is x is equal to 2 point at the point x is equal to 2.03 is minus 0.4488. That is our required value of y dash at the point x is equal to 2.0. Like this we can find the first order derivative as well as second order derivatives at the desired points. Okay, next with this let's go to numerical integration in your next class.